Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's quilting quickie is on the subject of essential tools you need to get started quilting. And these will serve you for a very long time to come. My first recommendation is a self-healing mat. So I'm using my rotating mat as an option. Start with a 45 millimeter rotary cutter like this Olfa rotary cutter. I highly recommend Olfa. I've had Olfa for years. You're not going to regret spending the money to buy Olfa. To go with those items, you need a couple of rulers. First ruler you're going to need is a 6 by 24 inch ruler. This is a Creative Grids ruler. Their rulers are actually half an inch bigger, so it's actually 6.5 by 24.5. And a 6.5 inch square, a 6 inch square for other brands. You will use these tools every time you quilt. Spend the money wisely at this point. Buy quality tools. You're going to have them for years to come. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye.